Okay, so this video is going to be really short. This is my sweet potato harvest. Never done sweet potatoes before, but it looks like it's going to start to rain, and I have my iPod out, so unfortunately the next part of the week it looks like the weather's changed. It's going to start raining like non-stop and everything, so this is going to be quick. So hopefully, I've been letting this kind of dry out a little bit. Hopefully I will get some. I know I have a few because I kind of did my own little pre-digging. These have been in here for 3 months. It doesn't look like this one. Oh, one little small one here. They are Beauregards. Oh, there's a little fingerling. Sweet potato version. I'm not seeing any big ones. Very small ones. This one isn't even, yeah. Kind of disappointed so far. I'm just getting smaller and smaller ones. Not anything really big. Oh. Well. Oh, darn it. That one I broke. Yeah, didn't really do good in this small little containers. I thought that they might do okay because I made sure I got the bigger containers, but apparently that didn't do a whole lot. Oh, this is gonna be my biggest one. It looks pretty weird. Whoops. Yeah, I have 2 more containers. One I'm definitely not going to go ahead and harvest because it doesn't have that many leaves or vines or anything, and it just hasn't seemed to be doing as well as these other ones. So yeah. Okay, I think that's it of this one. There. And so the next part I have is this one. These are kind of heavy. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and pull these kind of up and see. Yeah, again, they're pretty dinky. Fairly disappointing, considering this is 3 months of work. But at least the one good thing is I didn't really have to worry about bugs or anything like that. So I mean, I guess you don't really have to do a lot of maintenance out of it. So I guess there's one good thing. Another big one, I guess. Well, I definitely did not need more than 1 container, that's for sure. How do you like some big huge rocks in your soil that you paid quite a bit of money to get? Yeah. I don't, anyways. The soil isn't here isn't very good, and even when you pay to have the soil or the mix, it's basically, it just seems like it's mulch. Where I live, unfortunately, I don't know why. I get very good stuff, but at least it's better than the alternative of the really bad soil, the clay soil. Oh, I need to put that all on my foot. A kidney size one, I guess. Well, yes, live and learn. Maybe there's something I should have done differently. This one, a lot more wetter. Oh, this one has some more. That one's not bad size, more of a carrot size, but let's see here. Definitely don't think I'm gonna have to worry about having a whole bunch in a few months to eat. That's for sure. I have planned on putting regular potatoes in here later on because I have a whole bunch of smaller potatoes from a harvest I did earlier. Big huge piece of butter. And so it's, I guess it'd be considered second generation of is that all I'm gonna get? Seriously? Of Yukon and red potatoes, but I only have about 2 of each, I think. Oh, this is rather disappointing. And I had bought these slips from, I don't know if it was Lowe's or Home Depot, and it was already, the one slip was pretty good size, and, or, so I'm kind of disappointed. But yeah, I think, oh, I see a big, huge bug. It might have been part of my problem. But yeah, I mean, I didn't really see any problem with the leaves or anything, unless they got a little bit too much water sometimes, and I tried to protect them. And if I actually got some water when I was watering them, sometimes I'd actually get some water on. But, yeah. Well, I think that's it. I really don't know if I should do anything with my other container. Because so far, this is all I have. No, I mean, granted, yes, this is okay, considering at least I got some. Some is better than none. But yeah, not very good ones. Yeah. And actually, trying to to keep an eye on this. This one looked like it might have had a hole in it. I'm assuming from a bug, but yeah, definitely not going to be feeding us for like a week or so. Let me check out the other container. It might be okay. Yeah, I guess I'll go ahead. See, this is all it's done. But it's kind of wet, even though I haven't watered them for well more than a week. Watch, this will be the one that has most of it. Oh, it's all kind of wrapped around himself here. So, that one's better than some of the other ones. But yeah, so these are in exactly 90 days once I got them, and you know, like I said, they were already slits. So yeah, maybe these aren't the best containers. Maybe they need more drainage or something. I think I put 2 plants in one, and I think some of them I might have put in 3. Now that might have been too much. I just wasn't sure. These are all very stringy, that's for sure. Definitely different than the Yukon or red potatoes. They're not as stringy. I got those. Again, not that much to write home about, so to speak, you know. But some of these are very bite-sized. I'm not quite sure. Maybe some of them are small because of if there are too many plants in one container, I guess, maybe, perhaps. But the other thing I'm kind of wondering about is they are Beauregards, and it did say 90 days, but do Beauregards maybe need longer time? Perhaps. And maybe, obviously, better soil than what I'm currently getting at Lowe's and stuff, even though it's mixed and potting soil and all of that stuff. It's just a lot of mulch. But yeah. So I think that's it. Unfortunately, one want a big huge piece of bark. I got a lot. Yeah, kind of disappointed, but again, I guess at least I got some. I know this video, oh wow, it's went way over. But yeah, so the biggest one I got was this one. So yeah, definitely, oops, losing. Definitely don't have to worry about anyone you know, there being way too much and come by the end of the winter we're sick of sweet potatoes. So, take care, everyone.